Hello everyone, welcome to GuruSchools Training for Success. Today we are going to talk about RPA Microsoft Power Automate tool. But before that, we'll talk more about our certificate course. We'll talk more about our six pillars offering, right? We'll talk about our organization, right? So first we'll talk about the RPA Microsoft Power Automate certificate course, right? So this course will offering you at free of cost, and one important point here, it's a instructor led free online training. Okay, so it's not any pre-recorded session, it will be the live session, right? And if you want to get a six-figure salary and get real-time project experience, right, Gurukul is the right place. Now we will talk about RPA Microsoft Power Automate Industries. So the RPA being basically used in all the industries, right? But I have included few industries here like banking, finance, insurance, healthcare, hospitality management, manufacturing, automobile, chemical, electrical, electronics, petroleum, oil and gas, retail, e-commerce, human resource, telecom, transportation, and etc. etc. Okay, and here we are having a variety of job roles are available like RPA developer, RPA test engineer, RPA business analyst, RPA support, and RPA project manager. So this is related to the RPA job roles and our certificate course. Now we will talk about the company overview, right? So Gurukuls was founded with the aim of sharing, growing, and enriching the education, right? So we are having specialty into the training, right? So Gurukul Practice Center has its roots in providing best in-class education with a correct mix of dedication, efforts, direction, approach, and attitude. So here we have systematic approach to grow you people, right, from the very basic till your job placement. So this is our main focus. At Guru School, we focus on career guided employment industries, IT training with real time projects, experience and consulting, and payments and placement services. So here we are guiding from very beginning till you are getting placed into the job, right? Along with that, we also help towards vendor and client interview preparation, ongoing project support, which helps and prepare towards working in America and Canada corporate. So here we'll guide you from the very basic till your resume preparation, client interview, vendor interview, right? Along with that, once you get placed, right, after that also 6 month, 9 month, or year support, whatever you want, we are providing that supports to everyone. Okay, so this is about company overview. Then we'll move and we'll talk about six pillars offering from the Guru School. Okay, so here we have 6 weeks of formal instructor led free live interactive course, specific IT training track using the Zoom meeting. So the training will be 6 weeks of training, right? And it will be the live sessions by the instructor, right? After the course completion, you will get a diploma certificate. So obviously it will be the added advantage for everyone. Then we are providing the reference ready resume preparation, client, domain specific, technology specific, right? With all the required details. Then we are doing like vendor interview coaching preparation. So we have the vendors, right? They are providing us the interview questions and all the related things, right? So we'll guide you in terms of vendor preparation. Similar way, we are guiding you in terms of client interview preparation, job assistance, right? And also once you get a job, right, we'll give you the ongoing project support for a 6 month or 9 month or a year if you want more. So this is about six pillars offering from the Guru School. Then we'll talk about the RPA. What is RPA, right? So RPA is the process of automating the business operations with the help of robots to reduce the human intervention. It's called as a robotic process automation. So instead of human, the robots will perform the task. So what do you mean by robotics? Robotics means these are the entities which will mimic the human actions is called as a robots. So instead of human, robots will take control of the systems and it will perform the day-to-day task. What do you mean by process? Process means any meaningful process or sequence of steps, right, which will result into the meaningful output. For example, anything like making your tea or coffee, right? So it might be any process which we are doing in a day-to-day basis, right, that we can automate with the help of robotic process automation. And what do you mean by automation? Automation means is any process which is done by the robots without the human intervention is called as a automation. So this is about what is RPA. Then we'll talk about the RPA advantages. Why industry want to use the RPA, right? Because increased productivity. So as a human, we are working for 8 to 10 hours, right? Within that also we'll take tea break, coffee break, lunch break. We'll go on a weekly offs. We'll go for a maybe Diwali vacation, Ramadan vacation, Christmas vacation, right? But that is not the case with the robots. The robots will be available 24 by 7, 365 days without any break. Next one is the improved quality assurance, right? As a human, we can do any mistakes while performing our day-to-day task, but that is not the case with the robots. So robots will be available 24 by 7, 365 days without any break. And also, it will give the accurate result each and every time and forever. Next one, better management capability. Okay, so it having centralized cloud platform, right, from where we can monitor the bots, we can see the execution status, either pass, fail, how much time it is taking, right? So it will give all the statistics. And the last but not least, a coding knowledge. So here we require very limited coding knowledge, or I can say we require only logical knowledge, because this tool is working on a low code, no code platform, right? So things are already there, we have to just implement it. That's it. So this is about RPA advantages, and this is related to our RPA Microsoft Power Automate training, right? So we'll have like these modules, right? So we'll start from the introduction, basic introduction, where it is being used, what are the industry use cases, then slowly we'll go to the desktop, web, Excel, PDF automation, right? Also we'll take the advanced concepts like AI builder, right? So AI builder is one of the component, that is the beauty of this particular tool, right? Then we'll go for the database automation, API automation, right? Then we'll go for the DLP policies implementation. We'll see the process advisor, how to integrate the connectors, right? So we have designed our syllabus in a such way that we are going to cover end-to-end implementation. All right. So we'll talk more maybe in the next video about our training content, right? Who can learn the RPA Microsoft Power Automate, right? So people are coming to us with these questions, right? So I have listed down few common questions like, I don't have the programming knowledge, or I'm fear to the programming knowledge. Can I learn that? But definitely, this is a low code, no code platform, right? Here we have to implement it with the help of drag and drop functionality, right? Next point is, I'm a fresher and want to start my career with the latest technology in the market. Will I get a job as a RPA developer? Definitely. There is a no question about it, right? So I want to add few more points here into the market. Not only the jobs are available for RPA developer, so RPA business analyst, RPA testing, RPA support, RPA project manager. So we have variety of job roles are available. Okay. Also some laterals also coming to us, right? So they are saying we are working on an old technology, or a few people will come, they will have the year gap, for example 5 years, 6 years, 3 years, right? Because of the any reason, right? So they are coming to us and they are asking, if you learn the RPA, will get a job as into the market or not? Yes, definitely. There is no question about it, because currently the RPA industry having a lot of shortage for the manpower. So if you are a right candidate, right, it doesn't matter if you have a gap or you are working on any other older technology, right? And last but not least, does RPF offer better growth and package? Definitely, there is no question about it. You can ask your friend, colleagues, relatives, right? What is the potential into the RPA market? Okay. Then why we should learn the Power Automate, Microsoft Power Automate, right? The first advantage of using this tool is, right, the tool is from the Microsoft, so there is no question about uh, data security, right? There is no question about implementation, connecting with the Microsoft products, connecting with the Azure cloud, right? In addition to that, if you see the Foster report, so Microsoft Power Automate has listed as a leader into their report, right? Also, Microsoft further launched the desktop version, so they have already launched the desktop version, right? And it's basically a low code, no code platform, right? So we can automate the things very easily by using the AI capabilities. All right, then before ending, right, I want to show other things as well, right? So let me end this one. Okay, so if you want to see the RPA developer salaries, right? So you can see the RPA developer salary from the San Francisco, Houston, Seattle, Chicago, right? But whatever is the salary is there, obviously it's a like six-figure salary, so there is a high potential into the RPA job market. And you can see this is a Power Automate website from the Microsoft Power Automate, right? And if you see, as per the Gartner report also, so Gartner is also one of the famous agency. It's a low code, no code application for platform. And Power Automate was leader with the Gartner 2023 Magic Quadrant, right? So this is about the Microsoft Power Automate, right? But still, if you have any questions or any doubt, any queries, right, feel free to reach out to us, right? So here we have given our like email ID for the inquiries, like inquiries at guruschool.com or the training at guruschool.com. This is our LinkedIn URL. Please do visit, right? And this is our website www.guruschools.com, right? So if you have any further questions, doubts, please reach out to us. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care.